Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 3, module 3, where we're going to be talking about motivation. I did finally just finish grading all of your work from week 1, except the video introductions. I'm still working my way through those because I want to watch each one and make a guess as to your 2 truths and a lie. So this week, we'll be talking about motivation. And so, what do we know about why and how people are motivated? It's not actually something you can do to someone, but it's really important for leaders to be able to create environments where people want to exert effort towards the organization's goals. There are some things we can do about the environment. There are some jobs that are more motivating than others. So we will be exploring all of those things in this module. And we'll also be looking at the second characteristic of principled leaders. So chapters 5 and 6 are all about motivation. So review the chapter, take a look at the theories and the components and see what might be helpful to you, put in your toolkit related to what we know about what motivates people. So some of the theories look at the values that people have, what values are they trying to fulfill, and other theories look at the process, the calculation we go through in deciding whether or not we want to exert effort. So just take a look at those and see what might be helpful. For the journal this week on courage, we've got 2 articles and 2 videos that might inspire and inform your reflection on this topic. So in the discussion board this week, I'm going to have you each complete one of the activities. At the end of chapter 5, there's a reward allocation exercise. So you have a bonus to allocate across team members. And so think about what theory of motivation or what approach to motivation you're using as you decide on the reward. So people pay attention to what gets rewarded and come to figure out that that's the kind of behavior that is valued in the organization. So post your own allocation and an explanation using some concepts from the chapters. 3 now is looking at the motivating potential of your job. So the job characteristics model is one that tries to identify what aspects of a job make it inherently motivating. So not something that has to be given to people from outside the job, but just doing the job itself. So that's your written assignment for the week. And then finally, your journal asks about acting and speaking with courage. So I'm going to ask you to describe a time where you had courage and where you did not have courage. Identify at least one way you will exercise your courage muscle in the future. So for some situations, it's okay to practice and develop your courage muscle. In others, it's probably not a safe place to be practicing this skill. So think about, is there a specific area of your life where you can exercise this courage? So it can be at work, it can be in your family, it can be in a community organization or a team. And then finally, how can you encourage others to be more courageous and, again, in an environment where it's safe to do so? So I look forward to learning more about you from your work this week. Let me know if you have any questions.